Hello friends, welcome to the land of tigers called the Sundarbannationalpark. I am very excited today because next 4 days I will be in Sundarbannationalpark, the unique natural wonder of South Asia and the world. The delta is spread over India and the Bangladesh with an area of approximately 10,000 square kilometers and is enjoying the status of being largest halophytic mangrove forest in the world. The only means of traveling the park is by boat down the various lanes formed by the many flowing rivers. My objective is to photograph not only Bengal tiger but the other wildlife species. There are about 248 bird species found in Sundarban National Park, including a large number of migratory birds from higher latitude that visit the park in winter months. Has achieved its name from the Sundari tree. It is the most exquisite variety of tree that are found in this area. First day ends up with lots of good memories. It was an excellent day as far as photography is concerned. Though we won't get the glimpse of Bengal tiger, but still the day was effective for us. We got quite good number of species. Second day, we start our journey with early morning lights, with the hope to find the king of Sundarbans. It is freezing cold actually. Good. Now we are heading towards Tinkona Island. This is a spectacular island in the Sundarban National Park and a perfect place to spot tigers and the deers in the wildness of the Tinkona Island. We reached the spot. Now we have to wait patiently here because we are waiting for the Bengal tigers. In between, whatever the species we will find, we will photograph those species. But the main objective is to wait patiently here for the Bengal tigers. Because last 2 to 3 days, tigers were spotted in this place. That is why we are here. We waited Tinkona Island almost the entire day, but unfortunately won't be able to spot the Bengal tiger. We got spotted deers and few migratory birds. With that memory, heading towards Bali Island for night photography. Next 2 days, we cruise through the creeks and canals of Sundarban Tiger Reserve Forest. On the both sides, we found various types of mangroves sharing the riverbank, and water was covering the base of dense mangrove forest. We found various wildlife species during these 2 days. This forest area was really dreadful dense and uncanny silence. In Sundarban, there is a popular saying that you might not find tiger while searching in the riverbank or in jungle, but the tiger is surely watching you from the deep jungle. If you like my work, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And in this way, you will help the channel to grow.